Hello sweetcorns, welcome back to Corn. Hope you guys are taking care of yourself, staying healthy. Today in this video I'm going to show you all how you can improve your Samsung tabs battery life. Not only tabs, you can use these tips on your Samsung mobiles as well. And as you can see, the screen is pretty big, so it's gonna drain the battery life fast. To prevent that, they added 7040 mAh battery, so we can use this tab for a long time without charging it. But there are few useless features enabled by default and running in the background, constantly draining the battery life twice fast. So let's disable them first. First go to settings, then connection, more connection settings, and here we have nearby device scanning. By default it's gonna be on. You have to turn off this feature. So basically what this does is constantly scans around to check if there are any other devices nearby that your tab can connect to. It's unnecessary. If you want to share something to another device, for example pictures or videos, you can simply go to quick panel and turn on the Bluetooth from here whenever you want. Next stage, under nearby device scanning, we have printing. This is also similar to the previous one. Always scans for printer to connect. To turn off this feature, click on it. Then here toggle off this. Next, go back to the main settings, then go to notification, then tap on app notifications, and here turn off the notification for unnecessary apps. For example, YouTube is very important for me, so I'm gonna keep the notification on. But for Canva app, it's not that necessary, so I'm gonna toggle off the notification because more notification equals fast battery draining, and we don't need that. Next, again go to the main settings, then display. Here you will see by default your adaptive brightness is on. You have to turn it off, so this feature automatically adjusts the brightness of your screen, and this is unnecessary. If you want to adjust the brightness, you can simply do that by going to the quick panel and here like so. It's this simple, and we don't need a feature to run in the background 24/7 for this. On the same display interface, scroll down a little, tap on screen timeout and set this to between 15 or 30 seconds. So if you accidentally leave your device unattended, this gonna automatically lock your screen after 15 or 30 seconds, so less battery is used. Let's go back to the main settings, and from here scroll down a little bit and click on the Google, then tap on all services and again scroll down, then tap on devices and sharing, then devices. Here toggle off the scan for nearby device. This feature also similar to the previous nearby device scanning. These are useless, just eating the battery life fast. Next, go back to the Google and click on this three dot option here, then tap on usage and diagnostics and turn this off immediately because this is the feature that always collects your data and send this to Google. Seriously, we don't need that. Next, go back to the main settings, scroll down, then tap on digital wellbeing and parental controls. As you can see, this feature constantly monitors our screen time and how much time we spend on an app, etc. Personally, I use this feature. If you also want to keep track of your screen time, you can keep it on, or if you think that this is useless for you, you can turn off this feature by clicking on the three dot option here and tap on settings, then go to usage data access and from here tap on the settings again, then toggle off this allow permission option here. Next, let's go back to the main settings and scroll up a little, click on battery, then tap on battery protection and toggle on this feature. So keeping your battery at 100% charge for a long time can damage the battery fast. In that case, this feature comes in handy. If you select one of these options here, for example the basic, it will automatically stop charging after 100% until the battery level drops down to 95%, then the charging will start again. So you can leave your device to charge when you sleep without worry. This is very important. If you want to use your tab for a long time, make sure to turn this on. Next, let me show you all some battery saving tips and tricks. First, if you don't know how to turn on the battery percentage, go to battery, scroll down and here turn on this show battery percentage option. Now you can see the battery percentage here on the top right corner, and under this we have battery information. If you want to know something about your battery, you can check this out here. Let me show you another tip. If you don't know, so if you are looking for a particular option in the settings but you cannot find it, you can simply search it here by clicking on the search icon. And for example, I am searching for nearby device scanning and see it's here, and from here you can access the option. Next, uninstall unnecessary apps because apps use the battery most. Not only battery, they took a lot of storage as well. Here I already have one Samsung clock, so I don't need this Google clock because they do the same work. So I'm gonna uninstall this. Next, let's say you have one app that not very important but you need that app, so you cannot uninstall it. In that case, long press on that app and click on this icon here, then scroll down and go to battery, then set this to restricted mode. Now this app won't be using any battery unless you open this app. Next, last but not the least, dark mode. This feature gonna turn your screen dark. To enable it, go to quick panel and here toggle it on. See, the whole screen turned black, and dark screen means less battery is being used. So this one is a good feature. Make sure to turn it on, especially at night. And if you want to know more about Samsung feature, please check out my previous video. I'll leave that video somewhere here on the screen. In that video I showed you some of my favorite Samsung feature and how to use them. You can check that out if you want to. This is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Also, many new people have subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much everyone, I really appreciate it. And I know you guys want to see more tab related videos, but unfortunately, as I have mentioned previously, I am not a technical person. I don't know many things related to tech. I am so-called digital artist and a crafter. So in future videos you will see more art and crafts related content. But of course I am not going to stop making tab related videos. Whenever this tab gets a new update or if I found any new interesting features, I'll make a dedicated video on that. And I'm thinking of making a series of videos on how to use Samsung tab for total beginners. So if you guys are interested, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching again. Stay healthy, stay safe, eat well and stay hydrated. I'll see you all in the next video. Love you guys. Bye. Before I end this video, let me show you all some of the crafts that I made in past few months. So I had some plaster left from house renovation work and I thought why not try to make something using this, and this is the first tray that I made. Little cute Saitama. As you can tell by my table how much I love One Punch Man. So I had to make this one. It was hard because plaster has this sand like texture. So but I think this turned out really cute for first time. And this cute little bowl, paint tube, palette, pencil, image holder. I made them using garden soil, and I attached some handmade eye pin so I can use this as charms. These are the few ones that I'm showing here. I made like hundreds of them. This clay charm making hobby is really addicting. Also, the mini wooden stand that you guys are seeing here, that also I handmade using scrap wood. Most of the thing that you guys are seeing on the table here are made by me, except for the tab obviously. So in the future you guys probably will see more craft making videos. I hope I'll be able to upload more tab videos also as well. And yeah, I hope at least few people will be interested. Anyway, see you guys again in the next video. Bye bye guys.